for
I'll
now.
get a drink. I'm quite thirsty. Oh, until second vacuum.
Microwave. What's your vision here? I have a feeling I know what's going.
What happened? What the fuck? I was gone for like 2 seconds.
I have a microwave.
This year?
I'm gonna be taking this plate.
Yes. Hey, if you stand too close, your eyes will get burned. Oh, like
Just
magic.
like that.
What?
Impressive. Are you eating the plate? Oh no, you're eating the... Happy birthday.
Thanks.
Oh. I was like, why are you doing this bit again?
I forgot my drink.
Of course. Of course.
Was that a fucking flame? No, that was my arm. What?
Almost thought you like burnt down your house for a second.
Oh my god. I was also thinking it probably would have been easier to add like the sound effects after the fact.
Okay,
And
my
you're
food's
cooked.
actually fucking cold.